The legal profession is constantly evolving. And at Quinnipiac Law, we work on preparing our graduates to thrive in that dynamic marketplace. And we do that by getting to know our students and by balancing a very strong foundational curriculum with a highly personalized law school experience.
What makes a Quinnipiac University School of Law so collaborative and collegial is that every person in this building wants you to succeed. And it's an environment raising you up to be the best version of yourself.
The faculty has been extremely approachable. From day one, they've always expressed how eager they are to help us as students, especially the evening students, succeed.
Quinnipiac School of Law blew me away from the first second that I walked in for a tour, and I have to say I have never regretted the decision to be here. I think it's really propelled me into directions that I couldn't have imagined that I'd be going in when I started, and I feel very, very thankful to be a student here.